Ida, and you can call me Ata. I'm from United States. Now I will share my experience during studying English. First, my English was very helpful. And my score in the class was bad. And my parents like get angry when they know the score is bad. And they ask my mother asked me to join PGP. My first English in PGP is I feel this course, but building like a castle. And I feel like not confidence when first I came here. When I did PGP, I have learned many things like vocabularies, dance, present continuous, the past, the perfect, in new English editing. And I have improved writing, reading, listening, but speaking maybe like I'm not fluency, and I was to like to learn again and to practice speaking again. Why English is important? English important because English is number one.